Google has launched its most intelligent AI model yet. It is the best AI model out there at the moment, but they've blocked it behind a huge paywall, which makes it really difficult to get access to it. But Gemini is so cool, we wanted to make sure you have access to it. As you've seen, our sales page is done entirely in Gemini 3 with GeminAI. Using the Gemini Writer, the Gemini Video, the Gemini Image, Article Wizard, and Chat, we were able to generate the sales page with them. Let me take you through some of them and show you what Gemini is capable of. There are a lot of different chatbots that have been personalized, so you're able to look and chat with any expert. And we'll just go into a normal conversation right now. So you're able to chat with it and it's able to get real-time data, and you're able to make it help you with everything that you need, including conversations, including any sort of advice directly from Google's huge database. And it doesn't stop there. You can generate images with it. You can generate articles. Let's, for example, go ahead and generate an image with it. And then we're able to make changes based off of our images. So if, for example, we want some modifications, we're able to do that within Gemini. You can generate code with Gemini and you can tell it what to create, how to create it. You can import code into it and let it help you and create your apps for you. And the main tool that we used for the sales page is the Gemini Article Wizard, and we went through all of these steps here. And we went through all of them. We added our titles, we added our content, we added the angle we wanted to do, and that is what it created. So you are able to replicate that right now if you just check out GeminAI, and with a 30-day money-back guarantee, with 24/7 support available to you, and with training inside to replicate what we did, GeminAI is a no-brainer. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.